Abusiafo mebibia Akuapem ediba Attention TV eso ene ofila eso ana edrunu midi ene akosia sparkles Attention TV ye wo social media so ye YouTube ane ye sanso e wo Facebook mpacho se won follow ye wo Facebook ano follow ye se won subscribe so e wo YouTube so ano sanso subscribe and they wo subscribe na wo share na wo mia notification bar na send the video bia etuma wonsa ebeka na wo comment e wo comment session e honum ene de enim ye da so we ya obi ana akwaka entertainment influencer na se kasa social media influencer ene actress Akuapem Poloo ne maame anana wofo e ma no Rosemond boy enim ne obi aka no ebusia mede munchiremu ebe ebrew wona wasemasne ene University Foundation Foundation aye ye dia da ne da oye no emraso eno ntine ebusia ebona wo share University se o afi we de mede ne amewo ebe akwaka University hu no so de akoma ejanka ne wona woni bienu mame emfa nkwai frɛ no e wo 0548302985 0548302985 mame twa me ho na me brasisia Abusia me da se pa ye se wunya bread twa me ma me twa me ho ede ba ye Attention TV eso enye fila o fila eso enye midi ene akosia sparkles midi nsem no ehhehye eso dia Rosemond Brown dodrona enim no as Akuapem Poloo yenim se oye social media influencer ene senetwa ne ye kase actress o wo Ghana meme wa se ase ka ne Instagram page and Instagram account our followers be bria Ghana for mebunu mani bi ehwe send otutu na namo yenim se Akuapem Poloo de o wonde nyoma de oye bi wo social media pan ye kan se pictures a yemfa anase videos a yemfa ne yemfa yen show se body ye obi kakra de a and your de be ma set se enwa mo ene makwa ye twie onim se na ekopapa dem a pepe a mistake bia eni ho nanso ene de da sore ya yenim ne obi aka no oye okọ life na life ni mu no na nka oya bo bi di official da yenim ne official da ede aje no Akuapem Poloo ebuefuefuefu eya na Ghana for ye kasakra dodo Akuapem Poloo kire se David every 4 years now ana day one or start to say onya contract was in the twamuni advert no enye na danfo ni ananso obi onim na ne betena se Akuapem Poloo me the business plan bla ba to there yentena se na yenje ho ne ye ho se na be se na faso ne ba me ne omienu ya che dabi Akuapem Poloo say onu no is by grace and mercy the God I se mo hwe Akuapem Poloo na se mu ye ka se 2021 pound Akuapem Poloo she didn't take it lightly at all if we say you say the police some no ne omo no esan so betwem okoda jail for some days and then se be ya asema ne mba no ehun se bebre ba ya na was so twa ne ba no kwan tro so to kwa Nigeria na echi no na sese ana okoda abusiafo obi a Akuapem Poloo ebufu a if you think cry you can't think fa yen ko hwe life Akuapem Poloo ya no chire mu se ono de fit day 1 ekosi day 0 a onya contract for movies and adverts in there it's been by the grace of God yen ko tie ni brasisia
this person is coming for business contract. Don't give it. I don't even know when they go for contracts. Me, I don't know anybody. It's God. I don't know anybody. I'll be there when someone will call me. Poloo, I want you to do advert for me. And I'll go with my 2 brothers. You get me? I'll be there. They'll call my business phone. Poloo, I need you to do this for me. Because I can't go alone. I'll call my 2 brothers and we will go together. I'm telling you, for the past 4 years, nobody brings business to my table. Nobody brings business. Anywhere I have entered, any contract I've gotten, is God. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. But I've been good to people. So if you've done something good for me, don't go and talk. You talk too much. Can't you get it? You talk too much. Remember what I've also done for you. Remember what you benefit when you were a friend to me. Remember when you were laughing and you were happy being around me. Don't forget so soon. I've never stand or stood anywhere to talk evil about you. So when we are no more talking or walking, remember I was also down for you. Remember that I was also down for you. I was doing dirty jobs for you. Yes, you talk too much. Officials, they talk too much. Little help. Little help. They will forget what you've done for them. They will forget what you've done for them.
I was saying, I did say, I was saying, the Akuapem Poloo, a kind, and Otie Crana, won't say sister, not Osugunimu, Otie very carefully, Osugunimu, because Obi, only be ya down for Faka Crana, acquire say, Monsan and Tibimana, Nipano, a day or the year on council, was and Bonnie Bishopper, now some of Kana, a bonnie crown, not anymore. A Akuapem Poloo shall summon a shen a part, says an away Makusrawa. I am a new swung. I send papa a year pa. Now show that rebel and then so an ekasa. Now so my own say, oh no, dear, deals any contract now when Yanina Yashakra, the Bonnie crana, a Lewen of Lewen a trade crowd shakra, Lewen and Casacasa and a friend because of children which they say, or no any business for no one line liner, or the end one or two things. Think of one a friend in business for us. Oh, Akuapem. Oh, Rosemont Poloo, and Besso say, Mam Besso say, Nanso, and yen a down for be no pussy and nimby, and I bet not say Akuapem Poloo business plan we have, and no tin yet dabby, a busia form, Major Seven Casamute, Akuapem Poloo, a day a count fa, a juma, a ya or yamwa as a obiso, a one as so chantro, a day a found. Aha, and me de fella o fella, ABC, me any Akuapem Sparkles, attention TV, and so and you keep watching.